Hi dears, thank you for your support. Your support is my pleasure and energy to move forward. So, my dear students, here we are discussing Cbse 10 standard sample paper 1 for the term 1 examination. So, already we discussed a few questions and here we are continuing the question number 11 from the section A. So, I am sure that these practice will help you to learn more and score more. So my dear students, we can go to question number 11. The question number 11, it is that if a square is equal to 23 by 25, then what is the value of a? So a square is equal to 23 by 25. Then there are four options given. What are the options here given? A is a rational number. A is a irrational number, a is a whole number, a is a integer, which is the right answer. So by observing this, a square is equal to 23 by 25. So what will be a? It's very easy because we know that a square is equal to 23 by 25. Then a is equal to the square transpose to right side. It will be 23 by 25, which will be inside the square root. The square transpose to there, it will be square root. So a is equal to root 23. The number 23, what is the square root of 23? Which has no square root as it is a natural number or a perfect square root. So root 23 is a irrational number. Root 25, we know that plus or minus 5 will be there. But root 23 is not a rational number, which is a irrational number. So in this p by q form, the numerator is irrational. So this number is also irrational. So here options rational, irrational, whole number, integer. So option B is the right answer, irrational number, because here square transpose to the root is coming. Root 23 is a irrational number. So this number is also irrational. Okay, so we can go to next question. The question number 12. We can read the question number 12. What is question number 12? My dear students, I am sure this is the practicing of sample question paper which is published by the Cbse, so in their website. So question number 12, LCM, if LCM of x comma 18 is equal to 36 and it is given that HCF is equal to HCF of x comma 18, which is given that 2. Then find the value of x. Here the question is based on the relationship between LCM and HCF. We studied in chapter 1 LCM of two numbers, a comma b, and HCF of the same numbers a comma b. Their product will be equal to the product of the numbers. LCM of two numbers and the HCF of the same numbers, their product, their multiplication will be equal to the product of their numbers. If we apply this rule here, we can find the value of x because x is the first number. So what is the LCM? 36. So 36 into, what is the HCF? 2. So into 2, which is equal to product of the numbers. What are the numbers here? X and 18. So x into 18. My dear students, here multiplication, here also multiplication. If it is transpose to here, it will be for division. So now here itself we can cancel that. 18, 1 18 is there, 36, 2 18s are there. If it comes to here, 36 divided by 18, it will be 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 4 is equal to x. So we got the value of x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Now we can go to next question. Here it is the answer, option C, which is x is equal to 4. Now we are going to enter next question, question number 13. The question number 13, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to root 3. Tan A is equal to root 3. Yes, tan A is equal to root 3. Then what is the value of cos A cos C minus sin A cosine C? We need to find the value of this. It is given that tan A is equal to root 3. So my dear students, here the options are minus 1, option B 0, option C 1, and option D is root 3 by 2. So we can try to find out the value of cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. It's very easy. Just try to understand what is tan A is equal to root 3. We hear the values of sin cos. Sin 0 is equal to 0, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, and we studied that sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is equal to 1. Similarly, the cos values we studied, it's a reverse order, 1 root 3 by 2 and cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and 0. Then tan values we studied that tan 0 is equal to 0. Just divide these two. And this dividing 2 cancel 1 by root 3, which is the tan 30. And tan 45 dividing the same numbers we get 1. And tan 60 is equal to we get root 3. And this is not defined because 1 by 0 we don't know the value. Not defined. So my dear students, in our question it is given that tan A is equal to root 3. Tan A is equal to root 3 means the tan value become root 3 when the angle is 60. So we can write that tan 60 is equal to root 3, which is we studied. So tan A is equal to root 3, tan 60 is equal to root 3. So the angle which is equal to 60 degree. So we can say that A is equal to 60 degree. My dear students, at the beginning of this question, it is given that in triangle ABC, angle B is right angled. So how it will be the triangle? Triangle ABC. Here B is right angled means here it is 90 degree. And A we got 60 degree. So what will be this angle C? Yes, as you said, it is 30 degree. How did we get this 30 degree? Because sum of three angles is 180 degree. Here 90 means these two sum will be 90 because 90 plus 90, 180. So here 60 is there. So balance 30 will be there. Can you understand? So my dear students, we got C is 30 and A is 60. Now in our question, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C is equal to. We can apply these values in the place of the angles A and C. So we get the answer cos A. What is A? A is 60. So cos 60. Cos C. What is cos C? Cos 30. Minus sin A 60 and sin 30. C means 30. So we can find out the value cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So my dear students, just observe here the same term, here also which is same. So when we subtract the same term, it will be equal to 0. Or we can write 1 into root 3 is root 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. So root 3 by 4. Here also root 3 into 1 is root 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. So root 3 by 4. Here it is subtraction. Same numbers are subtracting, the answer will be 0. So option B is the right answer. 0 is the value of this question. If you have any doubt, please watch it again. We can go to next question. My dear students, we are completing our sample question paper which is published by Cbse. We can go to the question number 13. 13 we completed. Now we are going to question number 14. What is question number 14? If the angles of triangle ABC are in the ratio 1 is to root 2. This is the ratio of sides, if the angles of triangle ABC are in the ratio 1 is to 2, not root 2, 1 is to 2. Yes, the question, and it is given that the largest angle being angle C. So the largest portion is 2, so here will come angle C. So we can draw a triangle with this measurement. So what will be the triangle? And one more point is there, the question is that find the value of sec A by cosec A minus tan A divided by cot B. Here it is not angle A, cosec B. So my dear students, this is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are applicable in a right angled triangle. So this question is based on right angled triangle. So we can draw a figure of a right angled triangle. And it is given that here the biggest angle is C. In a right angled triangle, which is the biggest angle? Angle C is the biggest angle. So here we can mark C. The remaining A and B can be marked here. and it says that these two part is 1, which means here it will be same angles. Here it is 90 degree. How did we get 90 degree? Because this question is based on trigonometry. Trigonometry is applicable in a right angle triangle. So this triangle is triangle ABC, which is right angled at C. Why it is right angled at C? They said the largest angle is 2 portion. 2 part is greater than 1. Okay, so this 2 part stands for angle C. Angle C is the greatest angle. In right angle triangle, which is the greatest angle? 90 degree, angle C. So we marked C is 90 degree. Now here it is 1:1. That means these two angles are equal. 90 balance 90 equally divide means here 45, here 45. Now we can go to this question. What is sec A? Sec A is equal to 45. So sec 45 divided by cosec B. What is cosec B? Cosec B also 45 minus tan A. What is tan A? Tan 45 divided by cot B. Cot B means cot 45. So my dear students, in this question, sec 45. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So sec 45, 1 by root 2 is reciprocal. We studied that cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. It's a reciprocal will be sec. So sec 45 is root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 means it is root 2. So root 2 divided by cosec 45. We know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. You have to study the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. If you didn't study it, please refer your textbook and learn it at first. After that, come to this question. So my dear students, sec 45 is root 2. Similarly, cosec 45 also root 2. Minus tan 45 is 1, cot 45 also 1. So we get the answer root 2 by root 2 is 1, 1 by 1 is 1. Here it is subtraction, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here in this question, we got the answer is 0. If any doubt, please watch it again. So my dear students, this question's options are option A is 0, option B is 1 by 2, option C is 1 and option D is root 3 by 2. So option A 0 is the right answer. We got it. Now we can go to next question. So my dear students, we are practicing sample question paper for term 1 examination of Cbse 10th standard. So I am sure that it will help you to learn more, score more. We can go to next question, question number 15. What is question number 15? This is related to our chapter areas related to circles. So we have to recall the equations, formulas which we studied from the chapter areas related to circles. So the question, we can read the question. What is the question? The number of revolutions made by a circular wheel of radius 0.7 meter in rolling a distance of 176 meter. What is the question? The question is based on a wheel having radius 0.7 meter. What is the radius? 0.7 meter, which is rolling. What is the distance it is rolling? 176 meter. So the question, what will be the number of revolutions? How many times it will rotate? Suppose this first time it rotate means it will complete its perimeter. One rotation means, suppose this is rolling, one revolution means it will complete one circumference. Am I correct? This length will be distributed on this line. So this is the one circumference. What is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. So 1 2 pi r is here. So second revolution means second circumference, again 2 pi r. Again 2 pi r, etc. So how many 2 pi r is there? How many 2 pi r? What is 2 pi r? Circumference. One revolution means one circumference. So n revolutions are there. N circumference will be covered, which is the total length 176 meter. What is the equation for finding circumference? 2 pi r. So we can write n into 2 pi r is equal to 176. N is the number of revolutions. 2 into, what is the approximate value of pi? We studied that 22 by 7, which is the approximate value of pi. So 22 by 7 into radius 0.7 meter. 0.7 meter is the radius, which is equal to 176 meter. Now listen very carefully. We can understand that n into 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7. This is the decimal number which can be represented as the rational number 7 by 10, which is equal to 176. Now we can cancel this 7 and this 7. Okay. Now we can transpose these two terms right side. So we will get n is equal to, what is on the right side? 176. Now dear students, please transpose this 10 which is dividing on the left side. If it is transposed to right side, it is for multiplication. Divided by, here the numbers 2 and 22 is on the numerator, and if it is multiplying, if it is transposed to right side, it will be for division. Once again listen, 2 and 22 is on the numerator. It will transpose to the right side. It will be for division. So this 2 and 176 we can cancel. 2, there is 1, 2, 17, 16, how many? 8 2s are 16. Balance 1 is there, that just right here. So this read as 16. How many 2s are there? 8. Now it's very easy. We know that 22, 11 2s are there. 88, 44 2s are there. Am I correct? Yes. So 11, there is 1 11. 44, how many? 4 11s are there. So 4 into 10. What is 4 into 10? 40. So what is n? N is equal to 40. What was n? N, it is the number of revolutions of this wheel. Okay. So we got the answer, n is equal to 40. Now we can go to next question. Question number, what is the question number? Yes, question number 16. Yes, we can read the question number 16. What is question number 16? Triangle ABC is such that AB is equal to 3 centimeter. AB is equal to 3 centimeter. BC is equal to 2 centimeter. And CA is equal to 2.5 centimeter. And another triangle is there which is similar to this triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to second triangle DEF. And it is also given the measurement EF is equal to 4 centimeter. Then the question it is that find the perimeter of triangle DEF. Perimeter of triangle DEF. How to find perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter means the boundary length. Suppose a triangle DEF is there. DEF. What is its perimeter? Perimeter means sum of the lengths of these all sides. What are the sides here? DE, EF and DF. So we can write DE plus EF plus FD. Sum of the sides. So for getting the value of perimeter, we have to find the sides DE, EF and FD. So we can try to find out. For that, what are the things given in the question? It is given that two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, we studied that their sides are in the same ratio. So what are the sides here? AB. Corresponding side is D. So AB by D, this is the ratio. And next corresponding ratio BC by EF. BC by EF. And next corresponding is AC by DF. So AC by DF. So these are the corresponding sides. Their ratios will be equal. Why the ratios are equal? Because they are similar. If two triangles are similar, you need to keep in your mind their sides ratios are same or their corresponding angles are equal, which is not required here. We require sides because the measurements related to sides are given, which can be applied in this equation. AB is equal to 3. So 3 by DE is equal to, what is DE? DE is not given. So we can write DE, which is equal to BC. What is BC? BC is equal to 2. And EF. EF is given 4. So we can write here 4. AC by DF. What is AC? AC is given that AC CA, which is same. So 2.5. DF is not given. So DF, we can write it as DF. So my dear students, this is not a single equation. This is which includes 3 equations. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this, and this is equal to third one. Okay. So my dear students, just to take any one equation, 3 by D is equal to this 2 by 4. Before we consider 2 by 4, it is possible to cancel here 2 one time, in 4 2 times. So the answer is 1 by 2. Now just transpose these denominators to next side, DE transpose to right side and 2 transpose to left side. Here already 3 is there, so 3 into this 2, which is equal to 1 into DE. So DE is equal to 1 into DE is DE, which is equal to 2 into 3, 6. So we got DE is equal to 6. Here all measurements are centimeters, so DE also 6 centimeter. So we can mark here DE is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, now we can take next two equation. Here 1 by 2 is there, which is equal to 2.5 divided by DF. DF can be transposed to this side, left side. So here it is denominator, so it will transpose to the left side. It will go for multiplication. So 1 into DF is equal to 2.5 into 2. This denominator to transpose to right side, it is for multiplication. 1 into DF is DF and 2 into 2.5 is 5. So my dear students, the DF is equal to 5. What is DF? DF is equal to 5 and EF is already given that 4. So how to find the perimeter? Already we discussed. Just add the sum of the sides of the triangles. So we get DE. DE is equal to 6, EF is equal to 4 and FD is equal to 5. So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Here the options are given. 7.5 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 22.5 centimeter, 30 centimeter. We got 15. So option B is the right answer. I'm just explaining, so this is the video, so you can watch it again. I'm sure that if you have any doubt, please pause it and just watch it again. So it will help you to learn more and score more. We can go to question number 17. Are you ready? So we can read the question number 17, which is that in the given figure, DE parallel to BC. One of the side DE is parallel to BC. So there will be a figure based on this question. We can read the question once again. In the given figure, so there is a figure which is given that a triangle ABC, and in this triangle there is a line DE which is parallel to BC. What is given? DE parallel to BC is given. Then the question it is that, before going to question, it is given AD is equal to 3 centimeter. This AD is 3 centimeter and also given BD is 4 centimeter and BC is equal to 14. BC is this, which is 14 centimeter. And the question it is that find the value of DE. This length we need to find. We can suppose it is X. So my dear students, this question, whenever we see DE parallel to BC, we can recall the chapter. It is related to similar triangles. Here two triangles are there. ADE, this is one of the triangle. A small triangle, we can see here a small triangle. Can you see that? ADE. And big triangle is the ABC. Can you say that these two triangles are similar? Yes, we can say that triangle ADE, which is similar to triangle ABC. Why these two triangles are similar? Yes, here angle A is the angle of small triangle and it is the angle of biggest triangle. Angle A is equal to angle A, which is common for small triangle ADE and big triangle ABC. And second point, this angle is equal to this angle. Why these two angles are equal? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why angle 1 is equal to angle 2? Can you guess that? Yes, it is given that DE parallel to BC. These two lines are parallel. So this is the transversal. We studied in the chapter lines and angles, which we studied from class 9 standard. Transversal, intersecting, at the time there will be corresponding angles are equal. So we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle. So three angles of the small triangle is equal to the three angles of the biggest triangle. So we can say that those two triangles are similar by using which criteria? AA similarity rule or AAA similarity rule. Both it is same. So my dear students, if two triangles are similar, we studied their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Already we discussed it in the previous question. So we can write that the smallest triangle is AD. Yes, it's corresponding to AB. So we can write AD by AB, which is equal to. And we require to find DE. DE is corresponding to. What is DE is corresponding to BC? So we can write DE by BC. This is enough. Third side it is not required here. We can apply the values of AD. What is AD? 3. So 3 by. What is AB? AB means from here to here. AD 3 and DB 4. So 3 plus 4 is AB. So we can write 3 plus 4. Which is equal to DE. DE we mentioned that X. So we can give at DE as DE. And BC is 14. So we get here 3 by 3 plus 4 means 7, which is equal to dE by 14. This 14 transpose to here, we will multiply with this. So 14 goes to numerator and 14 7 can be cancelled. If it is knowing, now itself we can cancel 7, there is 1, 7, 14, there is 2. Now here 3 is equal to dE by 2 divided by 2. If it is transposed to left side, it is going for multiplication. So 2 into 3, what is 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So we got the answer D is equal to 6. D is equal to 6. That was our question. Here all the measurements are in centimeter. So D is also 6 centimeter. So we got the answer. The question D is equal to 6 centimeter. So we are continuing our journey to success. We are learning together towards success. So my dear students, please join with me. It will help you to learn more, score more. We are going to next question. Question number 18. Yes, question number 18. 17 is completed. Question number 18. What is question number 18? If tan beta is equal to 3, find 4 sin beta minus 3 cos beta divided by 4 sin beta plus 3 cos beta. It is given that 4 tan beta is equal to 3, which is given. This value is given. And there is a question. Find 4 sin beta minus 3 cos beta divided by 4 sin beta plus 3 cos beta. This is the question. Suppose we see this question, many students feel that many complication. Yes, this is a complicated question. How can I do it? So my dear students, just to observe what is given. What is given in the question, that is the hint to the answer. So it is given that 4 tan beta is equal to 3. So we can write this tan beta is equal to, here 4 tan beta means 4 is multiplying with the tan beta. If it is transposed to right side, multiplication becomes as division. So we can write it as 3 by 4. So we got the value of tan beta. Do you know that tan and sin cos, there is a relation? What is the relation? Tan beta can be written as sin beta divided by cos beta. Is it clear? Tan beta can be written as sin beta by cos beta. So my dear students, this is a rational number. This is the numerator. This is the denominator. A numerator and a denominator can be divided with the same term or same factor. So I am dividing the 4 sin beta minus 3 cos beta. This is our numerator. That numerator I am dividing with the cos beta. And our main division is this. The denominator 4 sin beta plus 3 cos beta. What I divided on the numerator cos beta. Same number can be divided on the denominator also, because we get equivalent fractions. We studied that in a fraction same number can be multiplied or divided on numerator and denominator. What we are doing on the numerator, same thing should be done on the denominator also. Here you look, cos beta is dividing. At the time it is common for these two terms. So we can separate it. How can we separate it? 4 sin beta divided by cos beta minus 3 cos beta divided by cos beta. So we separated the numerator by giving the common denominator to each term. So this is all divided by 4 sin beta divided by cos beta. On the denominator also we are splitting the common denominator to each term. So we get 3 cos beta divided by cos beta. Now you observe, you can see that here sin beta by cos beta. Sin beta by cos beta is equal to tan beta. So this question we can rewrite as, what is sin beta by cos beta, tan beta. So instead of this sin beta by cos beta, we can write 4 tan beta minus cos beta and cos beta will be cancelled. So there will be minus 3 divided by, here also same sin beta by cos beta means 4 tan beta plus 3 cos beta cancelled. So we got 4 tan beta. So we can write that 4 tan beta. The value of tan beta is already is there 3 by 4. So instead of this tan beta we can write 3 by 4 minus 3 all divided by 4 into here also tan beta. Tan beta is equal to 3 by 4. So here we can write 3 by 4 plus 3. My dear students, this 4 will be cancelled. This 4 will be cancelled. So 3 minus 3 is 0 and 3 plus 3 is 6. 0 by 6. 0 by 6 means 0. This is a video which explains the sample question paper for the term 1 examination of Cbse assessment for the year 2021-22. So my dear students, this video is helpful for you to learn more, score more. So do one thing, if any doubt if you feel, please take its recap, watch it again. It will help you to learn more and score more. We can go to the last question of this section, not last question, second last question of the section A. Question number 19. One equation is given. What is the equation? A pair of linear equations. We studied the chapter in our class, pair of linear equations in two variables. So here is the equation. What is the equation? Minus 5x plus 7y is equal to 2. The second equation can be, pair of linear equation means there will be two linear equations. So one only given. The second equation can be identified. For that they are given four options. Option number 1, A, 10x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. And option B, it is that minus 10x minus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. And option C is equal to minus 10x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. And option D is equal to 10x minus 14y is equal to minus 4. And one condition is given in this question. What is the condition? You know, these equations are, the pair of equations are dependent. The word dependent is here. Dependent and independent. Dependent means this equation and one of this will be dependent. Just a minute. So dependent means there is a relation. We studied the relation between coefficients of the pair of linear equations and their graph. What are the relations? We studied a1 by a2, b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are not equal, there will be unique solution, intersecting lines. Similarly, we studied a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are parallel. And if these all ratios are equal, then they are coincident lines. Coincident lines we call, they are dependent linear equations. When two linear equations are dependent, their coefficients. So what are the coefficients? Here you know that the general equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of pair of linear equations in two variables. So my dear students, here the coefficient of the variable x is known as a1. First equation's coefficient a1, second equation is a2. Their ratio is known as a1 by a2. Similarly, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 are the constants. So their ratios will be equal when the lines are dependent. Just keep in your mind, note it. What? Two pair of linear equations are dependent means their ratios will be equal. So we can check that here minus 5 is there. This is the first equation. So a1 is minus 5 divided by a2. And what is b1? b1 is 7 by b2. We can identify from this. And c1. c1 is taken to 2 is on the right side. Just take to left side, it will be minus 2. So plus 2 here equal to 2 is there. That 2 taking to left side, it will be minus 2 is equal to 0. So my dear students, what is c1? c1 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 divided by c2. So these all ratios want to be equal. So that which equation can be identified? A2 means the second equation. If this first option is the second equation, what will be A2? This is A2, this is B2 and this is C2. Just insert this 10 here. So we insert 10 here and B2 is 14 here. So these two fractions are equal? No. Why it is not equal? 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. That's okay. 7 by 14 is 1 by 2. Okay. But here negative symbol is coming. So these are not equal. We said if the pair of linear equations are dependent, that means the values are same, then these all ratios are equal. Can you understand? Yes. So my dear students, please try to understand the first equation is not suitable because the values or the ratios are not equal. Now we can go to second equation. Here minus 10. So we can minus 10 can be given here. Here minus 14 can be given. So what will be its answer? This is minus minus cancel, it will be 1 by 2. This 7, 14 cancel, it will be 1 by 2, but negative symbol is there. So this question also, the ratios are not equal, so this is not the right option. We can go to option C. Here minus 10. So minus 10 is A2 and here 14. So 14 can be given here. So here minus minus cancel. 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. Here 7 by 14 means 1 by 2. But C1 we can check. What is C1 here? C1 is minus 2 and C2 4. So here minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4 means it will be minus 1 by 2. So it will not be equal. So third one also not the right answer. Now we are sure fourth one will be right. We can check it and confirm that. After that we can select the answer. What is A2? A2 is this. This is B2. C2 is on the right side. If it bring to left side, what will happen? This minus 4 comes to left side. It will be plus 4. So my dear students, this will become that minus 4 comes to left side plus 4 which is equal to 0. So this is C2. Now we can give these values. So here A2. 10. So we can give here 10 and here it is minus 14. So here minus 14. Here C2 is 4. So here 4. Now you look at minus 5 by 10 which is equal to minus 1 by 2. 7 by 14 1 by 2 and negative symbol is there. So this also minus 1 by 2. Here 2 4 cancel. This is also minus 1 by 2. So all the ratios are equal. So here the equation dependent because their ratios are equal. When A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then the equations are dependent. Don't forget that. And one more thing. Before we go to apply A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, just convert all the equations into its standard form. Okay, actually this was given that equal to minus 4, but we know minus 4 comes to left side, it will be plus 4. After that, identify A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So my dear students, we completed question number 19 and the last question of section A. It is very easy question, very fast we can complete. Question it is that a letter of the word mathematics. We know our subject is mathematics, so we can write mathematics. Yes, mathematics. So this word, a letter of English alphabet is chosen. What is the probability that it is mathematics? So it is very easy. The probability we want to get, probability of getting the letter from the word mathematics, probability of getting the letter from the word mathematics. Yes. What is its probability? That is the question. Which is equal to number of letters in mathematics. Here M is there, here A is there, here T is there, here H is there, here E is there. But M again repeats means no need to count that. A again repeats means no need to count. T is there, I is there, C is there, S is there. So how many letters are there? 1, 2, yes, T again comes here, so no need to consider it again. So T3, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one, seventh one, 8. So 8 letters are there. What are the 8 letters? M, A, T, H, E, and I, C, S. So 8 letters are there. So these 8 letters out of total letters in the English alphabet is 26. So 8 by 26. 8 by 26 is the even numbers. We can cancel with the 2. So here 4 will come, here 13 will come. So the answer is 4 by 13. This is the probability of getting the letter in the word mathematics from the letters of the alphabets in English. So my dear students, we completed section A. We got the answer 4 by 13, which is option A. So what we completed here, we complete 40 minutes for learning section A. You practice it, you learn it by practicing. I'm sure make the notes and learn sample paper. You comment your ideas, your views, your feedback about this class. It will help us to improve, and I am sure that I will rectify myself for giving more updation. So my dear students, please comment your questions which you have more difficulty. That also will be considered for the next video. So my dear students, we can see in next video. Thank you for watching this channel. Okay.